with the foundation of blockchain and collecting on the advantages of decentralized finance, i.e., DeFi, Elrond set the standard of being the first blockchain on the planet, with a real-estate sharding plan for pragmatic versatility, wiping out energy and computational waste, while guaranteeing disseminated reasonableness through a secure proof-of-stake (SPOS) agreement instrument. This exceptional element connotes that information connected with exchanges will generally get accumulated independently and not among the other data on a similar block, consequently working with the remarkable speed of exchanges. Allow us to examine the ongoing subtleties of Elrond and comprehend the Elrond cost expectation for what's in store. Elrond entered crypto space in the year 2020. Having areas of strength for anon security, Elrond network has worked to guarantee protection from known security issues like the Sybil assault. Without a doubt, Elrond has incredible potential and will generally be the most appealing digital currencies, essentially for its local token, Egld, that guarantees high versatility security combined with speed, scaling a pinnacle of $200, without a doubt on a more profound specialized investigation at the cost. Elrond empowers authorization-less, line-less, worldwide exchanges and embraces the web economy advancement. It wouldn't be an exaggeration to name the capability of Egld tokens as impetuses in executing shrewd agreement charges and move reserves. The most important variables that drive the cost of Elrond are the speed and reasonableness that empower faster enhancements execution, bringing about quicker and secure exchanges. Egld. The ups and downs. The gems and crowns. As of now, the Elrond Egld cost today is exchanging around $191.29, with a slight impermanent rectification throughout recent hours. The market capitalization has expanded to $4,150,898,333.52 with a circling supply of 21,694,175 Egld. A great deal can be said about the verifiable excursion. A sharp ascent went into the remedy stage, and in something like a month, the exchanging volume remained at $261,802,037.55. Almost comparative patterns and bends went on till 2017. In December, the Egld cost shot up, trailed by a cost remedy in 2018 summers. The drowsy stage went on for the digital currency, and the option of Egld added a forward leap. The start of 2019 was a gift for this platform, as the Egld token was recorded on the well-known trade. Aside from that, there were numerous gifts declared by the engineers through survey advertisements for cash. Raising the toast to a notable $177, the coin built up some forward movement. The retreating period of pandemic brought overflow aplenty for the coin, giving it a consistent bullish push. Egld. Taking the expert analysis even however positioned in an exceptionally unstable universe of digital forms of money, great elements like tight security conventions and a high-level calculation assume a truly vital part in impacting ventures. The essential goal of the Elrond Group has been to guarantee straightforwardness and, simultaneously, protection. Tracking down harmony in both could be an extreme test. In view of a sensible calculation, Elrond Egld has both momentary conventions and likely long-haul benefits. In light of the Elrond Egld cost forecast and our own examination, the Egld coin might reach $184.420 continuously's end. As indicated by the future cost expectations and Elrond gauge by Gov Capital, the Elrond Egld cost is anticipated at $870.91361204 toward the finish of 2022. In view of the Elrond cost conjecture done by Wallet Investor, Egld's cost is supposed to arrive at a sign of $252.588 toward the finish of 2022, and cost is supposed to reach $612.274 following 5 years. Egld is a gutsy undertaking to exchange and one of the quickly developing sections. It is a bigger number of bulls than bears. As per the expectations, it isn't publicity that it would cross another high around the $248.49 mark by 2023, bringing about a beneficial speculation. In view of the Elrond conjecture, there is a major variety between the base and greatest cost, which makes it hard to choose whether to purchase Elrond or not. Thusly, it is ideal to accept the base forecast as a rule, affirming it as help of $210.21, best case scenario. Elrond, Egld, could become triple from the ongoing cost level in 6 years, say by 2026. It ought to have a reasonable meeting around $250.4 to $310.6, and it will enlist another record-breaking high in the long haul. One's ongoing speculation may be worth in the year 2026. As per the Egld cost expectation, it appears Elrond cash is ill-fated. Egld could exchange with a flattish cost pattern and combine around $200 by the principal quarter of 2022. Elrond, Egld. The epic price expedition. Despite the fact that there were changes and improvements occurring in Elrond blockchain innovation, this resource stayed lazy to move an inch. To put it genuinely, numerous financial backers didn't have a clue about the resource even existed. Albeit the fundamental explanation is at this point unclear, there is news that might be because of engineers pronouncing their mechanical headway, and a limited time occasion caused the trigger, guaranteeing incorporated blockchain, cybersecurity and expression, and all the more critically a reality. According to the verifiable information and specialized investigation, since November 2021, the cost was showing rectification. Despite the fact that there was a slight recuperation saw in the main 7-day stretch of April 2022. In any case, after that the cost again fell. In the event that the cost goes up, Elrond cost will show a positive pattern sooner rather than later. Elrond price prediction 2022. Taking into account there are no unexpected shocks or a stony way forward for digital currency market, Elrond is good to go to insist serious areas of strength for its as a significant fascination among its financial backer local area. The street ahead is loaded with pedals gave the financial backers certainty continues blasting, bringing about a huge push to the cost of Elrond, taking it to cross all hindrances, scaling $217.82. As per the Egld cost forecast 2022, the normal cost is supposed to reach $205.93 and least cost to $192.35. Elrond price prediction 2023. As per our Elrond cost forecast specialists, these highlights can help this symbolic increase a lot more exorbitant cost of $248.49 and least cost of $207.38. The typical cost of Elrond may be $230.69.